But first, here's what's hot, brought to you by NCB Group, your best interest at heart. NCB Financial Group wants to raise just over $5 billion through an additional public offer. The company is offering 78.5 million newly created shares with an option to upsize the 117 million if the offer is oversubscribed. Applicants in the general pool will have to pay $65 for each share, while those in the reserved pool will pay $58.50 per share. Investors must buy a minimum of 100 shares, followed by multiples of 10. The APO opens May 6 and is expected to close on May 27. Jamaica has secured insurance coverage against hurricanes for the next 4 hurricane seasons. The World Bank raised $150 million through a catastrophe bond on the country's behalf. The World Bank said Jamaica's exposure to hurricanes threatens lives and livelihoods and the country's economic outlook. The CAT bond attracted 15 global investors and provides funding for catastrophe insurance for Jamaica for the 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 hurricane seasons. The International Monetary Fund expects a slowdown in economic growth across Latin America and the Caribbean. In its latest World Economic Outlook, the IMF predicted a 2% increase in the region's gross domestic product for 2024 compared to 2.3% in 2023 and a 2025 forecast of 2.5%. The IMF said that the overall growth slowdown is partly due to the smaller growth rates in the region's largest economies. Brazil is expected to grow 2.2% and Guyana is expected to grow 34%. Jamaica is expected to grow 1.8% in 2024. The Japanese yen recovered on Monday after sinking to a 34-year low against the US dollar. The yen sank as low as 160.17 yen to $1 on Monday. That is the lowest exchange rate against the US dollar since April 1990. According to economists, the yen has been on a near continuous slide since early 2021, when Bank of Japan maintained ultra-low interest rates while the US Federal Reserve and other central banks hiked borrowing costs. The downward spiral has continued in recent weeks, despite the Bank of Japan raising interest rates last month for the first time in 17 years. The currency closed Monday at 155.01 yen, prompting speculation among traders that Japanese authorities intervened to stem the slide. What's Hot was brought to you by NCB Group, your best interest at heart.